As a mother, all I've ever wanted is for my children to be happy. So he calls me and he says, I've met this girl, and he describes her. And he's talking about how pretty she is and how smart she is, and she's a ballerina and she's so talented. And I'm like, oh my God, my child has met someone much better than him. This is perfect. This is perfect. That's what he needs. She'll keep him on his toes.
Can I turn around?
You can. You can turn around. Oh, you look so good. You look so handsome.
I don't know about anyone else here, but I'm gonna say it's really hard to get over how pretty you two are. Ashley with all the charm and kindness in the world, and Brantley with his amazing bone structure.
The thing that I think makes Ashley unlike anyone else I know, she sees the absolute best in the people around her, in all of you, and yet she also believes that it is possible to make the world better. And I actually think that this is one of the reasons that Ashley and Brantley are perfect for each other.
Brantley has always been the older brother. My brother has shown so much commitment to our relationship and has shown up so much for me. I know that's exactly the same level of commitment that he is going to bring to this marriage.
The love you have for each other, the strength of your relationship together has brought you to this day.
You ready?
Oh, I'm so ready. I'm so ready.
Look at one another and remember this moment in time. Before this moment, you have been many things to one another. Acquaintance, friend, lover, dancing partner, and even teacher. Now you shall say a few words that take you across the threshold of life, and things will never quite be the same between you. For after these vows, you shall say to the world, this is my husband, this is my wife.
Do you, Ashley, take Brantley to be your husband?
I do.
Do you, Brantley, take Ashley to be your wife?
I do.
I introduce to you for the first time here tonight, Mr. and Mrs. Brantley and Ashley Essering.
This is a couple unlike any couple I have truly ever met. And this wedding is a great example. It is beautiful. If we can just give a round of applause for the wedding itself.
For all the love that we have for the people in our lives, the thing that really makes it work is the commitment and the hard work that we put to it. I love you all. Thank you so much for being here. To Brantley and Ashley, and to Commitment.
Here, here.